right, guys, it is 4:51 in the morning. We're driving across the country. We're driving across the Philippines. We're going to pick up a port. We're going to catch a port to catch a ship to take us to an island. Now, one thing I wanted to show you guys here is the overabundance of small businesses. And they're open. And there's people at them. And there's people shopping. And when I'm talking about small businesses, I'm going to see if we can catch a few up here so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about a gas station, and I'm not talking about a big box store or a fast food joint. I'm talking about randomly, you're seeing tons of small businesses, family-owned, underground cash economy here in the Philippines. Okay, so here it is right here. This is what I want to show you guys. There's a lot of small businesses everywhere. Look, and they got menus on the thing for food. Some of them are grocery stores. Some of them are shoe repair places. Some of them are furniture places. They're making homemade furniture. Some of them, like, there is so much mom and pops, middle class economy. And this is why I believe, look, auto repair parts here. I mean, and there's people at them. Look at this one here. There's people outside, and it is we left the house at 2 in the morning, and the amount of small business and people walking on the streets with no worries, and you have all these little small businesses. I'll do a daytime video for you guys to see what I'm talking about when it comes to this underground cash economy in the Philippines, because the Philippines will never starve because the lack of government, so there's very little to no government regulation here, where you just basically set up shop. You don't want to starve? Well, you open your own. Look at all the little businesses. Look at them over here. Look at all these little businesses here. Oh, over here, look, tons of little shops, little stores. Some of them are open. Look at that. It's got the light on, and there's someone sitting there. Somebody was sitting there. Look right here. Someone's sitting there. Look, it's open. And look at the time, 4:53. Look on this side here. I can't believe it. No, we're going into another one. Look at this zone here. Look, there's people outside. Look. Look at this. Look at the markets. Look at the people. Look at the little taxis. This is a self-sufficient parallel economy. This is the economy for the people, and the Philippines will never, ever, ever starve, because none of these people right here are dependent on their government. They do it on their own. They all do it on their own. Wow. I just can't believe how, wow. I'm just very shocked at how, look, places everywhere. That was a motorcycle parts back there. What's this over here? Food. What's this over here?
Bakery.
Bakery. That was a pandesal, right?
Yeah.
Bakery. And it was open, right?
Yeah.
At 4 o'clock in the morning.
Hot pandesal.
Yep. I just wanted to show you this underground. I call it an underground parallel cash economy. And this is why governments are trying or pushing towards going with the digital currency, so they track everything you make. But you know what? The people of the Philippines will just create their own currency against the government to feed each other. That's what it's all about here. It's about feeding your family. That's what it's about. Look, places everywhere.
Here. Canteen, like a canteen.
24 hours. What is that? Holy smokes. Bottle Depot. What's that over there? Another restaurant. More restaurants here. And let me tell you, the food is really good here too. The food is amazingly good. Anyways, I just wanted to show this to you guys. And if we drive another 2 kilometers, you're going to see more and more places like this. They're all over the place. And again, it's a self-sufficient parallel economy with cash to basically it's got to be in the billions. It's got to be in the billions of dollars. Has to be. Another place over here. It's got to be in the billions of dollars. Easy. That's changing hands every day. Cash. Cash is king. Anyways, guys, Mike Martin's here reporting from some random road here in the Philippines, crossing the country. I have spoken.